Let's dive into how to design captivating Patreon graphics right inside Adobe Illustrator. Start by opening Illustrator and establishing your canvas. Create a new document. And crucial step here, and research the recommended dimensions provided by Patreon. Begin designing your banner using the various tools available. The rectangle to build shapes, then experiment with fill and stroke options to apply visual elements. Next, add text with the type tool. Choose a suitable font representing brand identity. Experiment with options that allow you to adjust size, alignment, and text colors. Now, create your profile picture. Consider making it symbolic of your brand. Use the image tool if required. Once satisfied, it's time to export. Go to File, Export, and select Export as. Save each graphic in recommended file types like JPEG or PNG, naming the files accordingly. Finally, upload your designs to your Patreon profile. Celebrate. Your professionally designed visuals will increase how many supporters see your work and join. Update your graphics regularly for a fresh presentation.